Onion soup, homemade with or without meat. We do it with 800 grams of onions. Peel and slice the onion. It looks like the first time you do it with meat. 250 grams of meat, cooked in the pressure cooker for 20 minutes. Add a tablespoon of cooking oil. First we fry the onions to take shape, and later we cook them. Add the chopped onion to the pot and sauté. Add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Mix the ingredients well while frying. Sprinkle 5 grams of salt into the pot contents. Add a dried lime numi basra, cut into small pieces or leave as is. Add 2.5 grams of cumin. Mix ingredients well while frying. Start cooking, just add the meat juice first, stir the components. Now add 250 milliliters of water. Squeeze half a lemon and pour over the ingredients. Put the cooked goulash meat in the onion pot. Cook together for 5 minutes. It's ready. Onion soup dish. Serve it with a plate of pulao rice. To make pulao rice, watch our previous videos.
Enjoy it.